Kitchen Bubble Cleaner is an ultimate multi-surface cleaner producing a penetrating foam that takes on grime where it hides. It adapts foam expansion technology. This spray penetrates and removes stubborn grease and stain from any kitchen items in 2 steps. Just spray and rinse, making the things fresh and brand new. And the leading foam cleansing delivers amazing fragrance while removing 100% of soap scum. It effectively eliminates grease, stuck on dirt, dust, fingerprints and any unwanted stain on all surfaces, leaving a non-greasy, matte finish that prevents fading, discoloration and cracking for about 2 months. You can get the Kitchen Bubble Cleaner through the link in the description below. To easily clear all greases and dirts and keep your toilet and kitchen fresh up.